Hey guys, today I go up in the hills now guys. Be rain. So I head up in the hills. And when I reach, I go set up camp. And that's how I go build up for the night, you see me? It's a crazy adventure, yo. Like, yo, rain, water, everything. So when we reach up in the hills, I go see if I can find a nice spot and see if I can make up a little tent somewhere when I will for water and I run or nothing, because right now I go be water. Like, be water guys, yeah. So when we reach the spot guys, we catch hopefully the rain stop fall so we can work more easier and making the tent. So when we reach guys, we'll catch you back. So when we reach the spot. Alright, so find a few strings. Guys. I'm going to use to tie up the bamboos together. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright guys, well if it is a point here, so I can just push down on the dirt. That way it'll stick more. When we stab it in the dirt, it will roll firmer. You see me? Because that nothing now hold it and it actually stand up. So yeah. If I cut it a little shorter though, because it's too long right now, so I'll cut it a little shorter. Yep. Cut it a little shorter and put it like this. So it's gonna be a triangle shape in like tent, right? That way you use less things to make it, and it's a bit easier. So I do that right now guys. So yeah, let me just do that right now and then turn back the camera until I reach a certain point. Right, so this is what I talk about now guys. Right, so I'm gonna use this and pour it down a little. Stay in the dirt. I think too wide. Yeah, so I'm gonna jam this one right here. It's too wide. Yeah guys, so I think I think I'm tall enough to fit in that. Oops, hot break. So I'm gonna tie this together now guys. The strings that I looked earlier on. Alright, so I gotta bring it like this, with this, and then tie it. Yeah, it's gonna be like that. Alright, and then I'm gonna have this, I'm gonna put it in the middle. It's gonna be in the middle here. It's gonna be slant. So my feet are going to be down here and my head is going to be up there. Alright, so yeah. Or maybe, yeah, because this isn't a flat piece of surface. So you know that goes. So I'm gonna try to improvise, see which one I'm gonna put my head from my feet. But when it's finished, still I'll know where I feel more comfortable. Okay, so the next stand go on the next side. So I'm gonna try to tie this side here now. I try to tie that side here now, guys. Get it to the size I want it. So I'm gonna tie it up now, see if we can straighten it up a little more. And go get some ferns for use as a cover. Alright, I brought a few pieces of plastic though, I'm gonna put in between the ferns because the ferns alone, water I will get inside. So bring a few plastics I'm gonna put in between the ferns to keep the water from not running inside. Just the water to run inside the tent. Yeah. I can't afford a tent, so I have to make tents. You get me, guys? Yeah. I'm gonna push this on. Wait. This need to tie a little more. Okay. You guys bring the here so now. Okay guys, so the next step to the tent, is to get few of these pieces of bamboo or stick and run here. You know guys, set out about there. I need a few more, which I have to search for right now, and get a few more and put them like that and come right to this side and then that side. So I get them there right now, guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to tie them and get a few pieces of stick. Get a few pieces, so let's see how much height them can work with, so we can know how much more to get. So I'll do that right now. Put it there. One go here. Not too far away. Yeah. And one here. Yeah. So yeah, basically that's what I'm gonna do. So I cut them little shorter and then I get the other side put on and tie them up now. Okay guys, so I put all of the stick them together. So I tie them now with this twist. This twist is it's strong enough to tie them. So I could like this and wrap them round until basically tight enough. Here guys, so
we're not tight here. Oh sure, kind of burst, but not tight. Put out for the next one. Try this piece here.
Alright guys, so see the tent here guys, so it's a come on well. There's the view from below, if you guys can see, but that's how it's gonna look. right? That's how it's gonna look. So yeah, I'm not gonna do always I get 2 more pieces of sticks. I'm gonna cross 2 more pieces, that's 4. 1 up there, 1 down there. And then I get the ferns them and start to put it over it and everything and cover it up so no more water can go inside. Then I'm gonna get something pad the floor and put in stuff inside and go get something to eat. You see me? So I could do that right now. Okay guys, so today almost finished with it today tent guys. So I'm put the stick them and everything. So I'm gonna get the fern them now and cover it off. I cover it off with the fern them now and the plastic and everything I may have, so I can fix up the inside so I can get to go in there. Whoa, this is really small. I don't know if you're gonna see that this is really small guys, but it's gonna have to work, right? It's really small, but it just have to go work. You see me, can't make it no bigger. So just have to go work with this. You see me, it's kinda small, but just have to go work with it. You see me? Okay guys, so these are some of what I'm going to be using. These are some of what I'm going to be using on the hut. That there. Or tent, whichever. Tent hut. Whatever you wanna call it. Yeah, these are the ferns guys. These are ferns. Put that there. I'm going to need a portion of these. Hey guys, so I'm gonna see if I can put them here on. See how much more I'm gonna need guys. I'm gonna use them here on the floor also. But for now we just go sort out this. Start with the top and so I'll go on. Yeah guys, so see that this is partially part of it. I'm gonna finish it because as I can see water still a drip inside, but this is just the first layer we need to put before I put the plastic on. You see me guys, so I'm gonna put the plastic on now and see what happens after. So let's do that. Okay guys, so see the bag here. These are some old bags that I pick up from home. And say, okay then, we don't have a tarpaulin, so I'm going to cut the bags and put over it, keep the water from getting inside. Yeah, so these are just some old bags that was at home and stuff. You see me? So, yeah, that's how I'm going to be doing it to get them cut. Alright guys, so see here, this side done. One side finish off, use some banana leaf. I'm fine. I'm cut off one tree and thing and see me, so look inside there. So come on well. So I'm just get a few more banana leaf and cover it up some more and sort out the inside. No one thing, so I could go do that right now. Alright guys, so today finishing product. This it look weird, but trust me guys, I'm going a while ago and not even a drip of water to catch me. You see me guys, not even a drip of water. I still have all the stuff to fix off still. So now watch this though. I'll fix that soon, very soon. So right now inside me have to go get them fern here and put inside and make it more cozy because you know the floor, the ground kind of wet. So I put the fern inside and pad it up, come up to a level, and then now I'm gonna test it out and see. So I'm gonna do that right now guys and check it out. Yeah, so I'll put them in there now. Okay guys, so I get my coconut already. So I have my coconut and I have a grater right now. I think I'm going to just use one. I grate the coconut right now. Get the water from this one to mix this. And I have only five finger of banana I have right now. And this I forgot to be my dinner for today. Just 5 finger of banana and coconut juice. So the rain fall right now, everything wet, the stick them wet, everything wet right now. I don't know how I'm gonna get the fire start, but I have to start it and get them here ready up so I can get them to eat. Now I have no plate, now I have no fork, now I have a spoon, nothing, no seasoning, nothing, no salt, nothing. You see me guys? So it's basically a survival style. You see me? See them look how hot they is so, and them here, I have nothing else. So yeah guys, as I say, I have nothing right now. Season up the pot or do nothing like that. So what I'm gonna do? Guys is I'm gonna make up one place right here so. Make up somewhere right here so. And it's right here so. It's right there so. Right there so and catch a fire. But I'm gonna make up something over it. But I know it's alright then when we catch a fire it's not gonna wet. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm gonna get 2 more banana leaf or so to do that. And 2 pieces of stick or 4 pieces of stick. And then see me can make a fire on the wet floor, on the wet ground. So yeah guys, I have to go make up somewhere now if we catch up the fire and start out my coconut and my coconut. I might go look if we can find cocoa. I don't know if you guys know what's called cocoa, but I'm going to show you guys. I'll go down the hill right now and see if we can find any. And come back and grate up the coconut and start make dinner. As I say, what's for dinner is the banana and coconut. So I use the coconut to make the coconut juice and cook the banana inside of it, and the cocoa I'm gonna look if I can find right now. Hopefully I can find. So we do that right now. I don't have no seasoning, I don't have no salt, I don't have nothing guys more than the pot and the grater. Right? And I don't have no plate, I don't have no spoon, I don't have no cup, nothing. If right now I want to make some tea, I don't have an expert to make the tea, so I'm not sure if I can do that. Might can do it after I finish with the pot and take out everything. We go get, oh no, I can't do it because I don't have no water to make the tea. Don't know. As I say, coconut water, that's what I use to make the juice. You see me? I don't have nothing else to do that. So yeah, that's what I see I'm going to do right now guys. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to look if I can find the coconut now. And no, not the coconut, the cocoa right now. Let's see if I can find that. Right now guys, the weather bad. I just there here. Now they look hot. They look hot for my makeup because it's a camping and survive 48 hours. 2 days that I go up in the hills for. You see me, just me alone. Right? So that's what I can go on. You see me, so I do that right now guys. Look the cocoa. Alright guys, so me have to do here. Me just set the pot to catch some water in it because I'm gonna need the water, to be honest. So I just catch some rainwater in it
which it go boil, so you know that go already, it go boil and stuff, so I'm not really worried about getting germs or anything like that because it's go boil, so I go boil out all of that. This is what we call cocoa, right? This is what we call cocoa. Them small, but I don't know if none under them, which no. Them here don't have any, so I just have to go plant them back. Because I want them for next time. Yeah. So it's best to plant them back. Right, so these small trees normally don't have any, but sometimes they do, so that's the reason why I looked. So yeah, if I find one next tree. Yeah guys, so I think I'm gonna find another small cocoa there, so I head up more up in the hills and see if I can find one tree with some. Wow guys, it's crazy out here. It's crazy. You see me, the camping is really nice guys. Really nice. You see me? It's crazy. But it's really enjoyable to be honest. Right now, I go up in a far now. Let's see if we can get the cocoa and come back and start the ball rolling. Which I will cook some food and some coconut juice. Guys, so right now run my bicycle around up the hill there. Good exercise. Yeah. Yeah guys. You know we do it. When we reach and find a cocoa guys, we turn up the camera. So let's go. I'm gonna run, I'm tired, feel hungry, cold, I have nothing to eat. Right now I come across this piece of cane here, so. Cane fine and mager. But right now guys I have nothing to eat, so right now this I'm gonna eat one piece of cane for now until we can find more food. Oh yeah, I see the cocoa tree them guys, so I'm gonna check them now and see if we can get the cocoa. I eat that cane first. You see it guys. Just a little ketchup. Cause I'm starving. Guys, I'm starving right now. A jungle with no food, no water, nothing. It's a fair work we do in the environment. I guess that's one next cocoa tree here. Hopefully it bear. Oh my. Not a thing upon this guys. It's empty. That's empty. Seems like I'm not getting no cocoa feed tonight. Okay guys, this one no beer either. Alright guys, them not beer, none at all. So I guess I don't have no cocoa feet, I just have to eat the banana. Just banana I'm gonna eat tonight guys. Okay guys, so I went in search to find something else to put with the banana because it's only the banana that I have, like 5 fingers of it, which I think that alone can do. So may I go head back down now to the campsite and get the rest of things started out so I can get to start cook. So yeah guys, I got that right now. I don't know. Go see if we can catch the fire. Get the fire up first. So then the bush them try to find stick. Catch the fire. Let me see this. Alright guys, did you see it? Dry. So I'm gonna cut 2 pieces of this and bring down back with me to use make the fire. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make the fire right here, so I try to make the fire right here, so you see me, because get this put over here so no water not drip on it. So I'm gonna try make the fire off on my boat here, so it's so wet though, so it'll take a little time to warm up, but if I do it, you see me, because I'm gonna do it, what am I going to eat? So I get this stick, I get 2 stone to put here so and stuff. So I could go do that right now. Okay guys, so see the 3 stone in here now. I'm gonna put the pot pan. I catch the fire, make it go and warm up first. And then after I catch the fire, I'm gonna grate the coconut and stuff. Alright, so by that time the fire side will warm up a little and can manage to cook the food. So we're gonna go see if we can catch a fire now. As you guys are asking how we catch a fire and the place wet, you guys can just look now and see. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright guys, so see the stick them here I'm gonna use. Just gonna take up them out of the rain and scrape them off. And them here I'm gonna use catch a fire. So I'm gonna put some in the fire already. So I just split up the rest. So you want to get them small as possible so that you get them catch quicker. You don't want them too big and bulky where it's gonna take forever to catch it, right? So when I get the good stick them here I'm gonna take them up off a ground because the one that on ground is going to be wet, right? So you need to take the one them will like hang off of one tree or hang up in the hair or something. You see me guys? So that's the trick to it. Don't take the one them from ground. Right? You gotta take those ones, a lot of water they are ground. Right? And while them can't get a time to dry. So see just look how easy this way I go catch now guys. Now the wet place right now. You see me? So just look. So see it now? How many of you know is get to catch the fire. I'm gone clear. Right? So I do that right now guys and make you see.